let's take a look at this next question. It says, an improvement in production technology will do which of the following? And so it says, A, shift the supply curve to the right, B, shift the supply curve to the left, C, shift the demand curve to the left, or D, increase the equilibrium price. And so the direct consequence of improving production technology is essentially to allow suppliers to produce more of the same good, produce more a higher quantity of the same good given the same amount of resources. And so if we think about this, that means that every single price, the supplier can produce more. And so that's going to effectively shift the supply curve to the right? And so that is a direct impact of production technology. And we know it's not going to affect the demand curve because production technology is on the supply side. And so that might be the answer. And an increased equilibrium price, we know that if the supply curve shifts to the right on a supply and demand curve, we can quickly draw this out. Oops, I think this turned off maybe. We can take a look at on the right hand side. If we have our supply and demand curve, a rightward shift in supply leads us to have a lower decrease in price on the y-axis, because we have an original equilibrium point here that transitions to a second equilibrium point down here, and so that's going to actually cause a decreased equilibrium price rather than an increase. So we know that number one is going to be the right answer here. An improvement in production technology will shift the supply curve to the right. And so let's take a look at the previous tutor's answers, and they say, yep, it shifts the supply curve to the right. An improvement in production technology is likely to enhance the productivity of inputs that are involved in the production process. The advancement may free up resources to be used elsewhere or in the same process to produce a greater amount of output, or may increase the efficiency or productivity of the human and or physical capital involved in production. An advancement may also allow substitution from a depleting natural resource stock that is expensive to a human-made substitute. Collectively or individually, the consequences of an improvement in production technology will shift the supply curve to the right as supply increases. So yeah, I think that's a very good explanation, great explanation. And I don't think there's anything we need to really add there. I think that really covers the things we need to know for this question.